How has Tom helped me? The short answer is that he helped me with almost everything. After I bought my first camera, even after months, I only knew how to change the basic settings. I was stuck at the level of the hobby photographers. I really wanted to shoot on events, but I couldn't find anything about how to start. That's when I met Tom, and after that our learning journey started. I didn't really know how to shoot in different lighting conditions, what kind of gear and how to use, but we went through everything step by step. I got a chance to shoot at a local club for free and improve my skills. We've edited the images together after each event to see what I could improve. I've soon realized how important it is to quickly edit the images after the event, which was not easy for me at first. But once I've started to learn and understand Tom's workflow, my editing times drastically improved. He also helped me to get better at composing images, which was one of the hardest parts for me. Now, after 1 year, I can proudly say that I work in some of the biggest venues in my country. I also got the chance to shoot big live shows as well. Thanks to Tom, photography has become my job.
We have started working together with Zoli almost 1 year ago and we made really good progress. One of the hardest things to improve with him was the composition of the images. He often only composed the subjects to the middle, while leaving loads of headspace, and most of the time this led to images that weren't that interesting for the viewers. And now he shoots like this, using basic rules without thinking much about them. He quickly learned how to react to different lighting conditions. An important skill to this could be learning how to use your flash not only in e-detail mode but also in manual. In my opinion, mastering how to use your flash is a really important part to become better in event photography. However, there are some artists who don't like if you use flash, so you will have to learn how to shoot without it as well. With time, you will learn the limits of your camera, but you can only do it by experimenting with it and using it more and more. A year ago, Zoli would throw out this image, but now he saved it in post-production. I think it's really important to get the images as close to perfect as possible in camera, but we all make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes are necessary to know what to avoid on the next event and how to improve yourself. Even I shoot some under or overexposed images by mistake. You just have to learn, but it's worth saving. We spent much time on mastering editing. Remember, it is not an easy skill to learn. We have edited together almost 40 albums and now his editing times has almost halved. The key is to develop a workflow that suits your needs and keep perfecting and practicing it. I would also recommend using Do Not Disturb or work mode on your devices to better avoid the distractions. I also like to listen to music while editing because it helps me get in the flow and also maintain it. If you want to learn how I set up my cameras for events, watch this video, and if you want to know the secret that helped me edit a 3-day festival in just under 8 hours, watch this one.